Alright, what up everybody, here's pack 2, or more of my packs I have. Contract extension for 48 games, 72 Lawrence Sidbury, Olindo Mayer, Tony Scheffler, Mike Miglin, John Fox, Roman Harper, Tom Malone, Mike McCarthy, Michael Agnew, Bank of America Stadium, Jeremiah Bell, Sean Green, Evan Britton, Pat Shermer again, Brian Moorman, Dustin Colquitt, Seattle's Pete Carroll offensive playbook, Pierre Garcon, Sean Lee, Drawless win, home of the Lions, and the light uniform away light uniform for the Texans. Greg Schiano, Ed Wonk, ugly looking guy, Roy Miller, Ricky Stanzi, Darius Butler, the home dark uniform for the Rams, Carlos Rogers, light uniform away Cowboys, defensive for the New Orleans coach, whatever, Gillette Stadium, injury 3 games, contract extension 48 games, Jacoby Jones, away uniform for the Falcons, Chris Gronkowski, the contract extension 32 games, Ryan Leha, Chiefs, passed up the last one, Dallas Clark, these are all gold cards, and this is Cleveland Browns Stadium, Derek Landry, Steve Hutchinson, Jonathan Goodwin, contract extension for 16 games, Justin Tuck, who's really good, 93 overall, Washington Mike Shanahan's offensive playbook once again, cover 2 defense, and that is it out of all the cards I just bought. And peace. I'm gonna move some. Peace.